Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. In my last few episodes, I've spoken about various AI tools which can help you to practice English speaking, learn vocabulary, grammar, sentence construction, comprehension, pronunciation, and many more things, right? You can improve your writing skills, you can improve your speaking skills, etc. They have a lot of benefits for you, and the most important thing is the advantage it has. It is there in your phone, you can download it on your laptop, and you can try the free versions also. And when you find one AI application suitable for you or which you are comfortable using, you can take the paid version also as per your requirement. Okay, so these AI applications are just like a speaking partner for you. Okay, they are somebody who can guide you, help you, whenever needed. So it can become a teacher, it can become a speaking partner, etc. You can collect information regarding various topics, you can collect information regarding skills you want to upgrade yourself with, you can learn a new language with it, etc. etc. So there are lots of things you can do with the AI applications or platforms. So I've spoken about Perplexity, I've spoken about Copilot, I've spoken about Gemini. Okay, which is really great applications to help you with. Go through my videos and you'll get to understand how it works, how you can use them, and start using it, guys. It is absolutely going to help you to improve your English communication skills or English fluency and confidence. Okay, today I'm going to talk about some social media sites which can help you to improve your English communication. And how does it helps you with English communication? What all features are there which you can explore or use to improve your English? I'm going to speak up in this session and it's going to be very interesting, guys. You would have never heard this before, trust me. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with the topic. So there are lots of social media platforms we use like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter or X, Instagram, etc. etc. These are top 5 which I can name is very commonly used, and we all browse it every single day. 3 times a day, 4 times a day, 5 times a day, endless times we browse these social media sites or platforms, right? Now today in this session I'm going to take up one social media site or one platform, and I'm going to speak about how you can channelize it or use it to your advantage. Whatever you do with that application or platform, it is fine. But apart from that, what else you can use that platform for, or how you can use it to improve your learning English speaking skills or your confidence and fluency, I'm going to tell you in this session. Okay, so we all use WhatsApp, right? We do audio call, we do video call, we chat with friends and family. Okay, and we do it every day, every time, right? We have to type a message and we have to send it to somebody. We immediately go to our WhatsApp and we do it. We check statuses also. People do post status also. And we use that platform, right? We use WhatsApp a lot. Now, how do we use WhatsApp to learn English speaking or to learn or to improve our English speaking skills, right? I'm going to tell you. First one is, so the first use of WhatsApp is we write messages, we text messages to our friends, relatives or people, right? So here what we can do is when we are talking to our friends or people who are our colleagues, office colleagues or school friends or college friends or any other person which we know can talk to us in English, right? So what we can do is when we are texting them, we make sure that we will write the text in English. Okay, we are going to message them in English. Okay, we will come up with sentences, proper English sentences, and we are going to text them. If we want to know their weekend plans, if we want to come up with a meetup, we will make sure that we write everything in English, we type everything in English and send it to them so that communication goes on in English. Okay, so if you have friends, of course everybody has friends, so college friends, school friends, office colleagues, some specific people you can just select so that you can talk to them or chat to them or chat with them in English. This is the first thing you can do. You can start in this way. Okay, you can start chatting with people in English, especially friends or colleagues in English. And it is very normal. Okay, come up with sentences, simple sentences, frame simple sentences. You'll get enough time to come up with English sentences and then you can chat and send it to them. Okay, in the same way also you can reply also at your own pace. You can understand what they have written and you can just reply. Think about it and reply. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing we use WhatsApp is for calling, whether we do an audio call or a video call. Okay, now here also what we can do is we can come up with a friends group or a colleagues group, whichever is convenient for you. You can directly talk to them, whoever wants to improve their speaking skills, English speaking skills, or whoever wants to improve their English speaking. You can just come up with a group and make sure every day at a particular time you can just have a conversation with everyone in that group in English. So you can either do an audio call or a video call, whichever is convenient for you. Come up with a topic and just start speaking in English for another 5 to 10 minutes. If 2-3 people are there, you can just increase some time. Otherwise 5-7 minutes is absolutely fine. Okay, so every day come up with a time, start talking to people on WhatsApp in English. So you can come up with a WhatsApp group of friends who are ready to speak in English with you, or they also want to improve their English speaking skills. And guys, trust me, people want to do this. They will be interested in doing this. So you can come up with this group and you can pick up a time and start talking to them in English on a particular topic every single day for 5 to 10 minutes. This is really going to help you to improve your English speaking skills. Now, if they are your friends or colleagues, you have n number of topics, right? You can talk about your office, you can talk about your project, your team, your cafeteria, food, anything. With friends also, you can talk about your college, sports, annual events, activities, studies, anything. Right? There are lots of topics we all have. So we don't have to think about a topic. It's just that we need that strength to start speaking in English. Okay, so start with this. So use WhatsApp for speaking practice in this way. So in this way, if you start texting people in English, you will come up with new sentences in English. You'll be able to improve on your English writing skills, right? Which will help you ultimately to start thinking in English. Okay, next thing is when you start video calling or audio calling people and start speaking in English, it will again help you to build confidence and fluency in speaking in English. Okay, now third use of WhatsApp is, now before coming to the third advantage or third use of WhatsApp for you to learn English speaking, I want to talk about this first. So when you go to WhatsApp, there is a green button there, right? So when you click on this green button with a plus sign there, you will see the interface which says new group, new contact, new community and chat with AIs. So these are the four features which WhatsApp has basically. Okay, and I am talking about these features only. New group, when I ask you to start chatting in English or having a conversation in English via audio call or video call, So you can come up with a group of friends who are interested in talking to you in English, or relatives or anybody else. You can come up colleagues. You can come up with a group here. So you can form a group here for specifically for chatting or speaking in English. Okay. New community. Now you can come up with a new community also. Community is a big group of people, right? You can add as many people as you can. You can add people from the society. You can add people from schools or colleges. It's a big community there. So you can come up with this community also. You can add more people here in this. You can utilize this feature of WhatsApp also to improve your English speaking skills in the same way. Like you can chat, you can just exchange your thoughts. So in communities also, when you start adding people there, when you have people in the community section, you can start sharing your thoughts. You can start having a discussion on different topics. So you can do a lot of things here. It will help you to start thinking in English, to train your brain to think in English and then speak in English. It will help you with sentence construction, new sentence formation, and it will help you to boost your confidence as well. Okay, so start engaging people in conversations in English via these features of WhatsApp. That's what I wanted to tell you. Okay, now the last thing I want to talk about is the third thing what you can use your WhatsApp for is talking to AI. Now this is not a voice mode. I mean, you can speak on the speaker, like there's a mic sign there, so you can speak, but the Meta AI is going to talk to you via text. So there's no voice mode right now. Okay, I'll tell you what is the advantage here, why you should chat with this AI. Okay, the first thing is it is free. It is there in your phone. You don't have to download it. WhatsApp is there on your phone. Everybody uses it. You just click on Meta AI, which is a circular, colorful sign there on the home screen, and you can just press that button, click that, and it will open. Okay, so you can chat with that chat, which is Meta AI. It is free. It is available in your phone. You use it every single day. Okay, so it is very convenient. It is there in your phone. Second thing is, we practice English speaking in front of the mirror, in front of the video camera, or we do self-talk, right? Now, if we start doing it with this AI, so instead of those old school methods, we can start adopting this new technology and we can start doing it. Anyways, you are speaking and the mirror is not talking back to you, right? Self-talk also, you are only speaking, the other one is not talking to you. Right? You have to have conversation, you have to talk about certain things, and you have to look in the mirror and do so. But here the advantage is when you are talking to the chat bot or the Meta AI, at least the chatbot is responding to you via text. You get some answers, you have some information, you have some idea of what you can talk about or where this conversation is going or in which direction this conversation is going. So that is the advantage here. It is not a one-way communication. It is a two-way communication. It's just that the other person or the other identity doesn't have a voice. It is speaking to you in terms of text. So this is also very interesting. And instead of doing mirror talk or self-talk or video recording, you can just speak to these AIs so that you get a feel of two-way communication. Somebody is prompting you something, somebody is answering your question, and then you read that answer, understand that answer, come up with your own question or answer and reply to it, right? So it is quite interesting also, and it won't take much of your time, and it is engaging, and it is both ways, not one way. So it is going to help you. So this is better than that. So start using this AI to practice English speaking. This is my recommendation. Now I'll show you how you can use this. I'll again go back to the home page and there's a circle there. I'll click on that and then it says Meta AI, good morning. And there are some options which are given in the form of prompts that how you can use it or what you can say or what you can use this app, use this chatbot for. For example, I want to write a birthday wish. Interesting. So Before having a small talk, you can just write a prompt that I want to start a conversation with my friend or with my neighbor. Help me with the topic. It will help you with that. Let's try this. I want to have a conversation with my neighbor. Can you please help me with the topic? So it came up with some suggestions here. Okay, neighborhood topics like local events, new restaurants, community issues, light and casual topics like hobbies, pets, weekend plans, and specific questions also it has given. Oh wow, hi, how's the gardening going? Have you tried the new restaurant down the street? I noticed you're getting a new anything. Are you excited? So a bike, a car, or anything, whatever, pet. Another question is, how was your weekend? Then there's some more tips. Be genuine and friendly in your approach. Listen actively and show interest in your neighbor's responses, right? Keep the conversation light and casual, especially if you are just getting to know your neighbor. I hope these ideas help. So it's quite helpful, right? So you can just come up with anything, like if you want to have a conversation with someone, if you want to talk about certain topic, you can just prompt it and you can get an idea of what to speak. Okay, you can continue with this conversation also. Here also you can just, have a conversation with this AI as a neighbor. Okay, so you can do that. Next, I want to plan an event. I need a career advice. I want to write an email. I want to hear a joke. I want to hear a story. I need help with my school assignment. I want to write a message to a customer. I want a new show to watch. So these are the prompts which it is giving example of hinting at what you can do with this. Okay, what all things how you can prompt. Okay, in the same way, we can also say, I want to write an email. We can get help writing an email regarding absenteeism or leave, anything. Okay, or to write to a client about the project, whatever. I want to hear a story. If you want to hear a story, if you want to do some reading, so you can just prompt saying, I want to read a story for my reading practice. Okay, and then it will come up with a story and you can start reading it out loud. So that problem is also solved. Okay, I need help with my school assignment. We can say, I need help with my English speaking. Can you please suggest some interesting ideas? And it's going to suggest something, right? I want to do a conversation practice. Let's see what it says. I want to have a conversation practice in English. Can you please help me with that? Oh wow, I'd be happy to help you practice your English conversation skills. We can role play different scenarios or just have a casual conversation. See, it has come up with role plays and different and casual conversations also. So you can pick up any topic and you can have a casual conversation or you can role play also. So you can just prompt that, okay, you are my neighbor and I have met you for the first time. Let's have a conversation. So in this way, you can give a scenario and you can just role play. The other one will be neighbor. You will be the person who is meeting your neighbor for the first time. Okay. Or anything else, whatever. You are going to a restaurant, you're the waiter, I am the customer. Let's have a conversation. Okay, so we can give different scenarios and we can start chatting. You have a voice mode, you have a speaker, you can say, okay, you can practice your English by speaking and the other one will write in the form of text. So your speaking practice will be there. Anyways, you are going to speak. Okay, so this is also a good way of practicing English speaking or having a conversation in English. So guys, these are the ways which you can start utilizing or using. Okay, this one is absolutely free. This is absolutely available in your phone and you use it multiple times a day. Why can't we start utilizing it in a way which helps us also to improve our skills? Right? Here we can use it for our English speaking skills, to improve our English communication, to improve our English speaking skills and to improve our fluency and confidence in speaking in English. So start using it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.